good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, and good night to all of you. Today, in this session of ICSE Java class 10th, I am here with few important points in this with according to the syllabus. So, watch our full video to get full knowledge. So, as we were doing the revision of class 10th in the previous video, today we'll know about one very important difference between loops. Because in this class 10th we have to function with only with loops. So we'll start for loop, while loop and do while loop. So for loop, while loop and do while loop, these are three kinds of loop I have said before, and I have given syntax also. Then also I am here writing for initialization, condition and upgradation in one single line, and no semicolon after the loop. Inside this we'll write the what we have to write in this input, or things what we have to do, we have to perform, and we'll close this. This is simple for loop. We have practiced most of the programs in this loop only. So first we'll initialize value, then we'll write while condition, and we'll write what task we have to perform, and here we'll write upgradation, and we'll close this. So for we have done, while we have done. After this what we have here, do while. So similar to this we'll write like initialization do. Here we'll write, close this, we'll write while condition, and upgradation will be inside this. So this is very important, copy it down. Now after this three difference which we have done, we'll know about one major difference between while loop and do while loop. Major difference, first, these are very important things which are generally asked for 2 marks question, which are very important. So this is entry control loop, and this is exit control loop. Now we'll know why it is said like this. So it first checks the condition and then performs the task, and this one, it first performs the task then checks the condition. So we have seen that after we have opened the braces, and after closing this there was while and condition was written there. So what it means? It means that first the whole program will be executed once, and then at last it will check the condition, whereas in this case the condition was there inside the loop. So this is why it is called entry control loop and this is exit control loop, because at the time of exit it checks the condition. So copy down this. So today, as we have completed this theory part, so let's do the revision of this loops. I am giving you one question to see and check whether means you how much you know about the loops in class 10. So palindrome number. So what is palindrome number? I have said before, this is there in my previous video also, but as we are doing the revision, so this is very important program, as most of the programs are generally based on palindrome number. So palindrome number 1 to 1, if we do reverse, then it is only 1 to 1. There is no change. So we'll write first that syntax you all know, as we are in class 10th, we'll just write the logic part. So we'll start number in d is equal to I mod 10. Here last digits are stored one by one, and we'll write declare one variable int reverse rev is equal to 0. So we'll write rev is equal to rev into 10 plus d. In this, the reverse of this number will be stored. After this, what we have to do? We'll write if, we have to check if number entered is equal to reverse, then SOPLN palindrome number, else not a palindrome number. So this is the program for palindrome number. First we have found the reverse, and then we are checking that the reverse is equal to the original number, then it is palindrome number. So this we have done before also. So today just we have done revision of loops in class 10th. So we have to think about this. In our next video we'll bring about user defined functions, which are very important, and scoring, and there is surety of 15, one question of 15 marks, surety of 15 marks question. So this is very important. So thanks for watching this video. Be there with us, join us in our next class. So thank you for now. Thank you. Have a good day. Jai Hind.